Now we'll wrap up this episode by a game called Guess the Match. I've told you guys to, be ready for this game. So I have prepared 10 questions, five for each one of you. Uh,
Okay.
every question is worth, first four questions are worth one point. And the last question is very tough, so it is worth 2 points. Okay? I'll ask both of you five questions. The first four
Okay.
questions are worth one
Yeah.
point, and the last question is worth 2 points because it is very tough. So, uh, and I'll ask one guy question, first question, and if you get it wrong, I'll ask the other another guy the same question. If he get it right, he'll get the point. Okay. So I'll
Yeah.
start with the toss. So I have a
Sure.
coin. So Omkar, please tell me in which hand I am holding the coin, in my right or in my left. We'll go for a
In which
toss.
hand?
I'm holding a
His left
coin.
or his right?
Okay, okay. In which hand?
My right or my
Right.
left? My right. So yes, I'm holding coin in
You
my
are
right.
right. You are right.
Yeah. So you won the toss. So would you like to go first, or you want Akio to start?
No, I'll go first.
Okay. So the first four questions are easy. So I guess you'll. So the rules are like I'll tell you the score of the game. Whoever the scorer, I'll tell you the score of the game. Whoever the scorer of City, in which season this game happened. So you have to guess who were the opponents of this. Okay.
Okay.
So the first question
Which
is
season did it happen?
the first question is 17-18 season in Premier League at home. City won 5-0. The scorers were Aguero, Jesus Brace, and Leroy Sané Brace. Who were the opponents?
Divis Brace and
Leroy
Jesus
Sané
Brace,
Brace.
Leroy Sané Brace, Aguero. Who were the opponents?
It was 5-0
17,
17-18 season in the Premier League.
5 0.
Aston Villa.
Aston Villa. Okay,
Aston. No.
take your time. Don't worry. 17-18 season Premier League at home. City won 5-0. The goal scorer were Aguero, Jesus Brace, and Leroy Sané Brace. It was okay. As a hint, it was one of the initial games.
Yeah, initially, in first three games we had 18 goals or something.
So it was one of the initial games of
One
City
was
in that
Aston
season.
Villa. I remember Aston Villa it was raining. And,
The 17-18 season, Centurion season.
was it Newcastle? Newcastle was there. This pandemic, this quarantine has just
Well,
taken away all the football memory.
okay, so I'll give you one hint that the opposing team got a red card. The opposite team one player got a red card for a reckless foul.
Red card.
For a reckless foul, that was a very bad foul. Akio, do you know the answer? Akio, do you know the answer?
Yeah. Yeah. The only reason I know this answer was because it was my birthday that day. So City 5 and Liverpool 0.
Exactly.
I wouldn't forget that because that was my
Yeah.
birthday that day.
So Akio gets the 1 point.
I don't remember this game. I tell you, I don't remember this game for a reason. I don't
Why?
remember this game for a reason because for that game I was coming all the way from end of Goa, okay, and
You had not made it to the match.
on the way my car tire got punctured and I had not
Oh
seen
my
that game.
God.
And
Oh.
only on WhatsApp I used to get the update. So I have not seen that game actually.
Okay. So the score is Akio 1-0. So now Akio, the question for you. Season 16-17. Season 16-17 in the Champions League at home, City won 3-1. The goal scorer were Kevin De Bruyne and Gundogan Brace. Who were the opponents? This is quite easy question.
Gundogan Brace. Yeah. Barcelona.
Yeah. So the score is the correct answer. The score is 2-0. So the third question is for you, Omkar. This is the last season, 18-19 season. I guess you might get this answer by the listening to goal scorer. So this was 18-19 season in Carabao Cup at home. City won 2-0. The goal scorer was Brahim Diaz. He scored a brace.
Who brace?
Brahim Diaz scored the brace in Carabao Cup. 2-0. That's the only time he scored a brace. This happened last season.
I remember you scoring.
Yeah,
I
I
remember the
remember.
games. And I was just WhatsApping that my agent and all. Which season you said?
Last season. Before Brahim Diaz went to Real Madrid. He scored. The only time he scored goal for Man City, it was in that game. Okay, I'll give a hint that this team is currently not in the Premier League.
This team is currently not in the Premier League.
Any guesses?
Black.
It was our second game in Carabao Cup last season. I guess round of 16. Just go with any guess. Just go with any guess. There's still so many questions left.
Yeah, let's go with any team. Think of anything.
Aston Villa?
What about you, Akio?
Yeah, no, I can't remember this either.
Leicester. We faced Leicester in the quarterfinals.
We win so
So we faced Leicester again in quarterfinals, but in 16 it was Fulham. Against Fulham, Brahim Diaz scored 2 goals. Okay, so now the question for Akio. This is an easy question. This season 1920 in the Premier League, it was away match. City won 3-0, and the scorers were Raheem Sterling and Kevin De Bruyne brace.
in this season.
Yeah. It was 3-0 away. Raheem Sterling scored a goal and Kevin De Bruyne scored a brace.
Arsenal.
Yeah, the right answer. Right. So it is Arsenal. So Akio is leading 3-0 now. So now the question for Omkar. This is regarding 15-16 season. Pellegrini's last season, yeah. This is FA Cup game. It was away. City won 4-0. And the goal scorer were Iheanacho hat-trick and Raheem Sterling 1 goal. Who were the opponent?
Iheanacho hat-trick, you said.
Yeah. That is the only time he scored a hat-trick for City.
In what semi-final?
No, in FA Cup.
What is that?
I guess.
Quarter-final?
No, FA Cup. I guess it was round of 32. I guess I don't remember. 32 or something. It was the initial game. That's the only time Iheanacho scored a hat-trick for City. And this team is currently in the Premier League. This team is in the Premier League.
Crystal Palace?
That's a good guess, but it's wrong. What about you, Akio?
Yeah, no, I cannot remember. 2015-16, you said.
Yeah. That season.
No, can't remember.
Well, it was Aston Villa. Iheanacho scored hat-trick against Aston Villa.
I first said it and then I changed it.
Okay, so this is the sixth question. Same season, 15-16. It was in the Champions League. It was away. City won 3-1 away, and the goal scorers were Raheem Sterling, Fernandinho, and Wilfred Bony.
Fernandinho and Bonnie.
And Raheem Sterling. Away. It was one of the finest City performance in the Champions League. Away performance was one of the best away performance by City in the Champions League. 3-1 away. Goal scorer were Sterling, Fernandinho, and Bony. And it is a very tough place to win. It was a very tough place to win, and City still got the victory over there.
Tough place to win, and still City got the victory over there.
It was a very great performance by City. And
When I think of 2015-16 Champions League, I just think of Real Madrid like all the time.
and
I
all
cannot
those
think
three
of-
and all those three goals scored by City were in first half only. In fact, all four goals were in first half only.
Gladbach, was it against Gladbach? No.
No, it was a good guess, but it was not Gladbach. What do you say, Onkar?
I think quite blanked out right now. I just guess. Shanika?
I cannot think.
No, it was Sevilla. Sevilla.
Sevilla, okay. Okay.
We won 3-1 away at Sevilla.
Was that in the group stage?
Yeah,
That was in the group stage. Right?
Yeah, in group stage.
We had Sevilla, we had Borussia Mönchengladbach, and Juventus.
And Juventus, yeah. Okay, so now the score is 3-0, and we are left with 4 questions. So Omkar, you have to, make a very big comeback. Okay, this is the question for
Yeah.
Omkar. This is regarding 2012 and 13 season. 2012 and 2013. Okay, it was in the Premier League. It was away. City won 1-2. City won 2-1, and the goal scorer were Milner and Aguero. This is actually quite easy.
Away game.
Yeah. We won 2-1,
Milner and Aguero.
and Aguero scored one of the finest goals. Aguero scored the great solo goal in that game. Milner and Aguero. It was 2-1 away in the Premier League of 2012 and 2013.
Is it played in United?
That is correct. It was Man United. So Omkar is right. The score is now 3-1. Akil.
Aguero went like this, dribble 3-3-4, and then
Yeah. That's solo goal. So now the 8th question for Akio. This is 11-12 season. 11-12
Okay.
in the Premier League. At home, City won 3-2, and the goal scorer were Nasri, Lescott, and Balotelli.
3-2.
Nasri, Lescott, and Balotelli. It was like a very, great comeback by City. City made a good comeback in this game.
Balotelli, the last goal.
Yeah. Nasri, Lescott, and Balotelli.
Spurs, I think.
That is correct. It was Spurs. So actually, it's 4-1. It was
It was a
Spurs.
penalty, right?
Yeah. Last minute penalty. Yeah. So now the last 2 questions are very tough, and last 2 questions are very tough, and they are worth 2 points. So Omkar bhai, you can still make a comeback. So now the score is 4-1 to Akio. So the question for Omkar, 13-14 season in Premier League, away, City won 4-2. City won 4-2 away. The goal scorers were Toure, Kompany, Navas, and Milner. Toure,
Toure, Kompany, Navas, Milner.
City won 4-2 away.
Which season is this?
13-14. Pellegrini's first season.
13-14.
Yeah. And a hint I'll give you that this team is not in the Premier League right now.
What? This team is not really good.
This team is not in the Premier League right
And in this game, Vincent Kompany also scored an own goal. So you may remember this. It was 4-2, so for opponent, Vincent Kompany scored an own goal.
now.
It was a 4-2. For opponent, Vincent Kompany scored an own goal in this game. Kompany scored an own goal. He scored also, and he scored an own goal also.
Scored many times. Who are the scorers again?
Toure, Company, Navas, Milner. And against this team at home, Toure scored many goals. Toure scored good goals against this team.
Torre has scored good goals.
No, in the home fixture against this team. We are talking about away, but I give you as a hint in a home fixture.
Norwich?
Toure scored a hat trick.
Norwich City?
No, I give you a hint that it is not in the Premier League right now.
Norwich City is not.
No, they are the Premier League.
They are?
I was thinking Aston Villa,
Yeah, they're
but
back.
Aston Villa also. Tough question, yeah.
Very tough.
So Torre has scored a hat trick against them.
In the home fixture, he scored a hat trick against this team. But
Swansea City.
Swansea City. What do you think, Akio? Is he right, or do you have another answer?
Swansea.
What about you, Akio?
Yeah.
Well, the correct answer is
I can't go to. I know Navas has not scored a lot of goals, so it shouldn't be that difficult. But
it is tough. It is tough, though. It is a tough question.
so he was Wolves.
These are there.
Well,
Wolves also there. Yeah. No idea. Good question from you.
so it is Fulham. Fulham was there. Fulham.
Huh?
Fulham.
Yeah, it
Fulham.
was against Fulham. Today scored a hat trick against Fulham in the home fixture. So the score is, I guess, 4-1 to Akio. So Akio has already won this, but still, for the last question for Akio, this is in 14-15 season, 2014-2015, in the Premier League away. Still, the score was 4-2. The score was 4-2, and the goal scorer were Toure Brace, Milner, and Wilfred Bony.
Torre,
Who were the
Brace,
opponents?
Milner, and in 14-15,
Yeah. In the Premier League, away game. It was away, and it was one of the last game in the Premier League. Like it was the last 3-4 games of the Premier League. And this team is not in the Premier League currently.
West Brom.
West Brom. Okay, what is your guess, Omkar? Is he right, or do you have another answer?
Boni, I remember that is the goal where
Who is not there?
Yaya Toure shot it or it hit the pole and it came to Boni and Boni tapped it. Which game was that? And I don't know.
Which guess of the team is not on the team?
I think it has to be the same game.
Okay. Your answer is wrong, but I'll give you one more hint. Your answer is wrong. One more hint. We bought a striker from this team in the January of 2015. Yeah.
We bought a striker from the team in January 2015. No, he said Premier League game.
Boni only in Swansea, no?
Yes, that is the
I
correct
said
answer.
Swansea.
Yeah,
You said Swansea. You said Swansea? You said Swansea,
Yeah,
right?
I said
No. Oh, sorry. Then I listened Aston Villa. Okay. So Swansea is the correct answer. Okay, so guys, so you get the 2 points. So still the score is 4-3. So the final score is 4-3. Akio, you win the trivia. So it was fun, guys. So guys, thank you very much for joining me. It was fun to talk to you guys.
Yeah, before you go, you need to see his tattoo.
Oh yeah. Sure. I would like to know added to our viewers,
I don't know if this is good, but I just got this done last
Oh wow.
year.
Wow.
So this is this is only half done. I still need to do half more.
Wow.
But that's the Blue Moon there. That's the Manchester ship. This is the Lancashire Rose, which is on the
Yeah.
logo. This is the Manchester bee that represents the hardworking people of Manchester
wow,
and the
wow.
never say die attitude of City. But yeah, this is just half complete, but yeah, I got to complete it.
We would like to see the full one. Yeah, we would like to see the complete tattoo, bro. But it is really very very amazing tattoo. So guys, it was
Yeah.
very fun. It was privilege to talk to you guys. The stories you shared, it was amazing, guys. So thank you for joining me to this talk show.
Thank you
Yeah,
so
thanks a lot. We appreciate you having us on your show. Thank you.
Yeah,
Come to Goa sometime.
yeah. We will,
Together.
yeah. We will catch up sometime in the future. Okay, guys. So take care, guys. Stay safe, and come on, city.
You too.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
See you. Thanks.